Welcome to the day one of Fabnon Europe. There was big announcement and things like that. I'm Khaled Chowdhury, principal at Data Crafters, and
yes, I'm Nikola, Data Mozart. Yeah,
and we're talking about what happened today. What was your big things versus mine?
Yeah. Usually first day is always packed because there is a keynote. So we
have keynote both days now, so we'll have some other stuff to share tomorrow.
Exactly. Yeah. But this one, the big keynote, I think it was full of exciting announcements as you would expect when a conference of this magnitude happens. So yeah, I'm really excited. What about you?
It was good. It was good. I think the bigger thing that was very interesting for me is how so many things became generally available.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So I think that was that, and there was obviously some cool features and stuff like that. What were your big ones?
Yeah, so first of all, this is a great point. I think, a lot of features are coming up together to become generally available, which is a great thing on its own. So the big ones for me, I think integration with Snowflake in both directions, that's something that can potentially be...
That's pretty cool, right?
Yeah,
so essentially anybody who's invested a lot in Snowflake and now they want to use Fabric as the front part of it.
So it's not or, now it's
an and.
Yeah. So this one is a big deal. I also like possibility to use OpenAPI to get the data from both Delta and Iceberg formats from one lake. I think this also potentially opens a lot of interesting scenarios. And what about yours?
You know me, I come from a business background, right? I still love my Power Query and data flows and whatnot. So the biggest thing that I saw, data flow Gen 2s are getting a lot faster.
That's right.
They have like this new parallelization and the new process query or whatever they called it. That unfortunately or fortunately is still one of the biggest workload in Fabric. I think that one was big. But the other one that probably is gonna be like really, really big for me is essentially the new tabbed experience from a user perspective, where we can have the tabs open up and the tabs are color coded and stuff like that. It's like dead by 1,000 cuts, right? We keep opening browser tabs now, how to do it, versus we can have multiple lake houses and stuff like that open.
On a first sight, it's a small thing, but
it is
it's
for
a lifesaver, time saver and lifesaver for developers. Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
And co-pilots everywhere, right?
Yeah, that's nothing new.
That's not new, but I think the main thing that I took away, even from like the partner presentation yesterday and whatnot, Arun kind of emphasizes multiple times, your AI is only as good as your data.
Yeah, that didn't change. That didn't change.
So I think with that foundation done, I think the chat with your data, I think we are going to get a new chat with your data in Power BI apps, which I'm kind of excited about.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. And I think anything else that popped up for you on the AI side?
Nothing really. So I'm looking forward to seeing other keynotes to see what's happening with security. That's a big point that was not addressed in today's keynote. So I hope it will be addressed tomorrow.
I think that's what they talked about. So like tomorrow's keynote, so I guess that's this is not all. There's a lot more that was announced. People can go read the detail. But for tomorrow, what I'm looking forward to is definitely the big G word, governance, and primarily one-leg security. I don't think they talked enough about one-leg security today.
Yeah, so I hope that they save this for tomorrow. Yeah.
All right. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks.